Hello everybody, today I'm gonna share with you guys today I got my swap review from Sam's Nails, the glow in the dark. So I'm gonna share with you guys today what I have when I get back. So I got this, and I got these mixes, and it says Guinness. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you like everything, Sam's. And here is her YouTube channel, Sam's Nails. And here is I got Sweet Glow by Nails by Stell. And she sent this 3D nail art. And here's her mix. Really pretty mix. I really like this mix. Here's the mix. It has a lot of kitties inside. It's really pretty. Next we have Burning Love and Janelle's. It's like peachy color with mylar, I think. That is mylar. It is pretty color. I think you can mix it up with any kind of nail acrylic. We'll go good bit. Thank you. And for 3D nail art, she sent this. Spangles. Very holographic. Thank you. And next we have how you like any genre mix from My Nail Designs, I think. And here is her mix. I like this little wrap that she did. Oh, here it is, made with lots of love. Thank you. And here is her mix. It's really rainbowish. It got the Mickey Mouse text. Neon colors. Thank you. Cool for the summer. Yeah. It is cool for the summer. Really bright colors on it. And for 3D nail art, she sent these lines, I think they are. These two little roses. And this. Thank you. And I got Jen's nail mix. Yay. Thank you. Look at her mix. It glows teal. Yay, Jade, I got your mix. I think you got butterflies on it. Yeah, I think you got the holographic ones. Holographic butterflies in it. Oh, and you got those glow in the dark flowers too. Sorry guys, I'm on a frame. I'm looking at it. This is a gorgeous mix. As always, thank you. And for nail art, she sent this. The new butterflies. And she also sent this 3D nail art. Some bows, a big butterfly, stars. I think those are butterflies with flowers on top. Yeah. I also got the one from okay, I got the one from Gotcha. A falling star, an AGB mix. She did a swap right here. It kind of looks like Galaxy mix. Thank you. I like this mix too. AG mix. And she also sent this glow in the dark too. I think it's from like. And she also sent the Solar Stardust Baby Blue that glows. Thank you. I don't have any of those. And from the hostess, I think she sent, it says, Eunice, thank you for joining. I hope you like what I got. What you got. Some smells, and here's her mix. It sparkles and glow. Nice sun smells. Another pretty cool mix for summer. I think I can use it any time of the year, I think, not especially for summer. Look at that. Really, really pretty mix. Thank you, Sam. Lots of goodies inside too. I see butterflies, pixies, all good stuff. Thank you. I really like this one too. I think they're really cool mixes. And for nail art, she sent this. I don't get what it is, but thank you. And she also sent this little balls. There we go. And a purplish. Well, thank you. And thank you all the ladies who mixes I got back. They're really nice mixes. Thank you. So this was my swap review from Sam Snails Glow in the Dark. Thank you all the ladies who enjoyed. I hope everybody who ever get my mix will love it too. And thank you all for doing this, Sam. I really like and have lots of fun doing this. This is my really first group swap that I got, so Thank you, girls, and thank you, ladies. Bye-bye.